Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a makeup low-buy update, or maybe I should call it just a makeup haul, because it is for sure not a low-buy in here. I'm purchasing everything, so we are calling this a makeup haul. I'm gonna tell you everything that I purchased from last time until today, and as well I have a total for Q1. So let's start on the 7th of February. I bought the L'Oreal Lumi blush. I heard some really good things about this one, but it's not for me. Liquid products are just not for me in general, so I need to learn my lesson. This one, it is a nice product, but it's not the easiest to work with. You need to blend it very carefully and not apply too much. Otherwise, if you are building it up, it will look patchy. On the 8th of February, I bought some products from NYX. I bought the Buttermelt foundation. This actually is a skin tint. This is lovely. It wears great. It is pretty low coverage and pretty glowy, but overall I think I will love it in the summer. In the same day, I bought this one. This is the NYX Dark Plump lip liner. In my opinion, this doesn't do that much, so I much prefer the normal formula, the line loud from NYX. That one is just wearing better, applying easier, and it looks great. Then as well I purchased the NYX Lip IV. This is a favorite. It is a great lip stain, and it is a lip stain and a gloss 2-in-1. It looks great, it wears great. Can't recommend this product enough. On the 20th of February I bought the L'Oreal Plumping Gloss. This is nice, but if you are applying too much and this gets in your mouth, it will burn and it will be very, very uncomfortable. I bought as well the shadow stick from L'Oreal. This is a big disappointment. I decluttered it practically. I have it just to show you. This was burning my eyes because I applied it in the waterline. So do not, I repeat, do not apply it on your waterline. This is a shadow stick, and only that. You cannot apply it on your waterline. It will sting and burn. I was crying. So overall I don't see the point of this product, because it is the most basic eyeshadow stick. On the lid it looks meh, and if I cannot use it on my waterline, I don't need it in my collection. And lastly, on this day I purchased this one. This is the Catrice Space Glam eyeshadow. This is very affordable. It's like $5, and it is great. It is a bit broken, so that's that. I dropped it, so it is my fault. It is fragile anyway, but it's a great shadow. It's very affordable, and it is like a multi-chrome shadow. It's not like the indie multi-chromes, but it is great overall. On the next day I bought this one. This is the Make Paint Pot. I was looking for a new eyeshadow base and everything was out of stock. The Sigma one, which is my favorite, was out of stock. The Natasha Denona one as well, so I decided on this one. It is a nice eyeshadow base. I just prefer the Sigma one. It's just a bit thinner in my opinion, but I will enjoy for sure this one as well. The next date is 24th of February. Apparently I'm buying something almost every day. I have this one, the Sephora eyeliner. I wanted to just purchase a few eyeliner to be new in my collection, but not too many shades. This is a brown. It's a really nice one. It is Shimmer Espresso, really nice brown. It stays great on the waterline, and yeah, I really like it. And as well the NYX Blade. This in my opinion is not for me. It's nice to just apply it on the tail of my brow, but overall I much prefer the normal pencil, and this is nice to create hairs, but that's not the way I'm doing my makeup. On the 5th of March we have this one. This is the Revolution blush. Again, drugstore doesn't know how to do blushes in my opinion. I said what I said. This is, you can see that this is cheap. The packaging is decently cute, but on the cheeks this looks, it's very hard to explain. This looks like an eyeshadow, but a pretty bad one. It's too shimmery and it emphasizes everything. Overall, not one of my favorites. In the same order I have this one, the Maybelline tattoo liner. I have in here the shade Berry Bliss. So again, I wanted something on the berry side to have as an eyeliner as well. And lastly, here we have the Revolution Plumping Lip Balm. These are great options, these two. If you want something a bit plumping, this is less painful in my opinion. It's like a minty lip gloss. This is great, I really like it. Sometimes there is no point to purchase a very expensive one. I have one to show you later, but just stick with the drugstore in general. Very rarely there is a gloss that is higher end that is worth the money. Next, on the 17th of March, I bought the Sephora blush. This one is not perfect. I would have liked more color from it. It is the colorful blush. So that's actually really stupid to call it that, because it is like a highlighty kind of blush. It's nice on the skin overall. It is just a bit of a colorful highlighter at most. This is the product that I was talking about. Is this better than the Revolution one? I don't think so. It's just the most basic gloss. Sure, this has a bit more color and it is plush on the lips, but it's not enough to justify this price. And then I bought the Benefit brow gel. My Too Faced brow gel that I'm wearing today is discontinued, so I'm trying to find alternatives. This is not the one. This is just too weak for my brows. They are just falling after like 30 minutes, so this in my opinion is not good for my brows. And lastly, for March, on the 25th, I bought the Revolution concealer. So this is the Skin Silk Brightener. This doesn't have enough coverage to be called a concealer, and as a brightener it just doesn't do that much, really. It's okay on a no makeup day, but overall it's not my favorite, and if you are applying too much it will crease. And then I bought just randomly this one. This is the Ardell Brow Sculpting Gel. Doesn't do anything for my brows. These two will be for my baby hairs because yeah, this is doing absolutely nothing, and this brush is a joke. It's so large, it's larger than my brows, so this is very messy as well. And I bought this one. This is incredible. It is a Sigma brush, the number F08 Precision Powder. I'm not using this one as a powder, for powder. I'm using it for cream products or blush or something like that. Is great. Can't recommend that one enough. And this is everything for Q1. And in Q1 I spent $487, which is insane. But I love makeup and I'm not justifying it. I need to stop purchasing that much, but at the same time the damage has been already done, so that's that. On the 3rd of April I bought this one. This is great. This is the Essence Loose Powder Flawless Skin Trio. You have 3 colors in here, a peach, a pink and a lavender. This is Essence. Keep doing stuff like this. This is incredible. It's not the best powder out there. It's not Huda Beauty quality, but it's so far from the Huda Beauty price that this is like a 10th of the Huda Beauty powder, and you have 3 colors in here. The powder is nice overall, so if you have dry skin, for example, I think you will like this one. It's great overall. I do have oilier skin and I still enjoy it, and like I said, you can try all of these 3 colors. That is just incredible. On the 4th of April I bought this one. This is where the Sephora VIB sale was happening. This is Melting Bronzing and Sculpting Stick. Love this one. It's melting like a dream. It's melting. It's blending like a dream. It smells like orange chocolate and it's a great bronzer. Too Faced did so well with that one. And then I purchased the Kosas powder. This, in my opinion, the Closet powder is not that special. It's very thin because it is a baked product, and I'm wearing it on the edges of the skin, but of course I cannot show you. It's nice, but it's very pricey, so I think I could do the same, if not better, with my NYX powder that I need to repurchase, or at some point I will repurchase. That one is just better in my opinion. Then I purchased as well the Huda Beauty setting spray. This is a mini. This is great. The spritzer is so nice, it's very diffuse and it keeps my makeup into place. I really like it. On the 10th of April I purchased the My Dream blush from Natasha Denona. This is not impressive, it's just I was expecting more. I do like the packaging and everything. I need to taste it more. I tasted it only twice I think, so this is very recent, but yeah, it's nice. And lastly, on the 12th of April, literally yesterday, I purchased the brightener from Ole Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright Vitamin CC stick. I'm wearing it today. Why did I purchase something like this? I have no idea, but sometimes I am just curious about some random products. This doesn't have a lot of coverage. It's a bit luminous. Somehow my skin, I have this one and then the Natasha Denona concealer just here and there, and then powder and the rest of my makeup, so I don't have foundation. I like it somehow. It looks very fresh, but I need to see how it wears and everything like that. And of course I did put the Natasha Denona concealer that I absolutely love. This is interesting, but I need to taste it more. And I bought the NYX highlighter as well. I love NYX, it's one of my favorite brands. I want to taste everything, and this highlighter is so beautiful. They have in this line some colorful shades as well, purple, green, stuff like that. Keep in mind, if you don't like shimmery highlighters, pick a normal color. This is the shade 10. This looks great. Again, this is the first time I'm using it, so I need to wear it and use it multiple times with multiple products, but this is smooth and it looks great in my opinion. The colorful shades, I did swatch most of them. All of them are shimmery. They could look nice, don't get me wrong, but they are a bit shimmery, so if you hate that type of formula, you will not enjoy it, so just buyer beware. So this was everything. I really enjoy some of these and some are very disappointing. And yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.